If you are a business owner or an entrepreneur looking to launch your own OTT platform similar to Netflix or Hulu, then you have come to the right video. In this video, we will show you how users can easily navigate our OTT platform to stream their favorite movies and TV shows seamlessly. Using our base model of an OTT platform, you can also create specialized streaming solutions such as a sports streaming app, an educational content platform, a fitness streaming service, a niche film platform, or a live event streaming app. Join us as we explore the detailed step-by-step functionality of our OTT platform. Before diving into the creation process, it's important to understand the OTT market. Over-the-top or OTT platforms like Netflix have transformed the way we consume content. They offer on-demand streaming of movies, TV shows, and documentaries, catering to a wide audience with diverse interests. Knowing your target audience and the competition will help you define your platform's unique selling points. Let's explore what makes Netflix so successful and how you can incorporate these elements into your platform. Offer a vast and diverse library of content, including movies, TV shows, documentaries, and original productions. Allow multiple user profiles per account, each with personalized recommendations. Implement a sophisticated algorithm to suggest content based on user preferences and viewing history. Ensure your platform is accessible on various devices, including smartphones, tablets, smart TVs, and desktops. Provide high-definition streaming options and adaptive bitrate streaming to adjust quality based on the user's internet connection. Allow users to download content for offline viewing. Offer multiple subscription plans with different features to cater to various user needs. Include parental control features to restrict content for younger viewers. Design an intuitive and easy-to-navigate interface. Content is king when it comes to OTT platforms. You need to acquire the rights to stream existing content and invest in producing original content. Partnerships with studios, independent filmmakers, and content creators can help you build a robust content library. Additionally, producing your own original series and movies can attract more subscribers and set your platform apart from competitors. To ensure your platform's profitability, consider various monetization strategies. Subscription model: offer monthly or yearly subscription plans with different tiers. Ad-supported model: provide a free or lower-cost subscription plan with ads. Pay-per-view: allow users to pay for individual movies or episodes. Freemium model: offer some content for free while charging for premium content. Before launching your OTT platform, it's essential to address legal considerations. Ensure your platform complies with content licensing agreements, copyright laws, and data protection regulations. Clear terms of service and privacy policies are crucial for protecting both your business and your users. Now that you have understood how the OTT platform industry works, are you ready to bring your unique OTT platform idea to life? Then, connect with us at Brew Labs. Our team of highly skilled developers and designers leverages cutting-edge technologies and advanced AI to create customized, user-friendly apps tailored to your business needs. We will provide you with a robust admin panel for efficient management and control of content and users across your OTT platform. Our dynamic user app ensures seamless access to streaming content, offering an uninterrupted viewing experience. Additionally, our effective content management system allows for effortless management of your content library and user engagement. Upon completion of your OTT platform, we will transfer full ownership of the source code and intellectual property rights to you. If you are interested in creating your own app like Netflix to enter the lucrative OTT platform industry, then click the link in the video's description and fill the form on our website and schedule a free consultation and demo session with us today. Our team of experts will answer any questions you may have and provide a personalized demo tailored to your business needs. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching this video.